In project management, you can have several ways to lead. Today, we are going to look at the servant leader. It's Christian from Vision 6D. Servant leadership is something I appreciate because you lead more than you manage. You build high-performing team, you are the communicator, the facilitator, and of course also the coach of the team. It doesn't matter the kind of project. The role of a servant leader is to support the team. The team is enabled and can self-organize. As an example, you have here, when your project is following agile methodologies, you have the Scrum Master, which is really here to help the team remove all the barriers and impediments and obstacles that the team can meet. And he is also here to take care of the agile methodology. The goal of a servant leader is to build self-sufficient teams. And he will build around the competencies and skills of the team. For this, he or she is making sure to correctly staff the team, allocate resources correctly, and propose adequate trainings and continuously assesses and refresh team skills. The servant leader will lead by inspiring, motivating, and influencing team members and stakeholders also. As a facilitator, he will make the goals and the objective of the project understandable to the team members and to the stakeholders. The servant leader insists on the mission at the project level rather than at the individual level. Here I can give you an example. I had a long project where we had to transfer a lot of data from a legacy system to a new system. It was the CRM project. And in the beginning of the project, I had the team meet the stakeholders. Some of the stakeholders had never visited the IT department. And I can tell you that long after I saw collaboration between the team and some of the stakeholders that wasn't imaginable before. And some of the people still long after remembered that start, that way to kick off the collaboration between the stakeholders and the team members. So this is one way to really go into a project as a servant leader. Once the purpose is well understood and questions are answered, it's then that you can turn to the team and enable the self-organization of the team. It's only then that we can turn to the process of early creation of value in the project with the different releases and iterations. One of the key points that I'm using every day as a servant leader is active listening. I use also a transparent communication. When I do reports, everybody in the team as well as the stakeholders are informed. I'm first here to serve those that are on the team. I help people to grow, I understand them, and I have personal talks with each of them. I have sometimes to do coaching, and of course I'm promoting safety, respect and trust. For this, there is the team charter on which we'll go into another video. I'm also promoting the energy of each into the group and the intelligence. I'm a facilitator and I'm here to remove organizational impediments. I'm trying, when I can, to educate the stakeholders about the chosen approach because they do not always understand it. But I can really say that when the stakeholders understand how you are going ahead with the methodology, it's really a big help into the project and into the support of the project. And the team, sometimes I really have to mentor them, to encourage them and to give them support. For example, when there is an issue, it's not the team facing the issue, it's me with the team. We are together facing the issue. And of course, if I can help with my knowledges of project management, I will do it. And one last point, but which is key. There are certain moments when the team achieves certain things. So those moments, they need to be celebrated, and this is really important. Servant leadership is a skill that is more and more looked for into the project management environment. Is it agile or hybrid projects? With that, I think I brought you some information that are relevant if you are preparing the PMP exam. You liked it, so you can sum up, subscribe to the channel, and I'm looking forward to meet you in another video. Ciao, bye bye.